Hey everybody, so last week I put out a video on how to buy an iPhone 16 Pro in 2026. Essentially all I did was just trade some stocks. Really it was Algoma Steel because what they got was, it's called a loan, but yeah. Anyway, they got a loan from the federal government. I'm in Canada, so the Canadian federal government. What was it, like $300 million or $400 million, and I guess from somebody else they got another $100 million. It doesn't matter where the money came from. All that matters is that they're getting that money, so it means that there's going to be a little bit of play in their share price because people are going to want to make, they're going to want to reposition or whatever the hell they do. That's not really what I'm here to tell you. All I'm here to tell you is that I was able to play with the volatility that the stock presented, which wasn't very much, and made enough for not only an iPhone 16 Pro, but I actually I made another trade, and now I have enough for an iPhone 17 Pro. And if I bought one of those open box deals, I'd probably be able to get an iPhone 17 Pro Max. But should I get that? I don't know. Well, we'll see what my wife said. So anyways, I'm just going to show you guys what I did here, okay? If you watched that video from last week, you'd see basically the moves that I made. Essentially, I made like 2 trades, and then I had enough for, an iPhone 16 Pro. So it was like, what, like $1,200, $1,300 maybe? Within that time frame, what I did is I sold basically up twice at around the 650 mark. So here, I'll put it on the 3-month again. I'll just kind of go quickly through it with you. So I bought here, this was like last year, like November maybe. It dumped down to around November, then it went back up. I sold up here around December, something like that. So I kind of bag held for like a month or something like that, but it doesn't matter. There was that news, right, of all that cash that they got. And I sold up here around 640. It dumped back down. I bought another position. It went back up. I sold again around 640. And then I had enough for my iPhone 16 Pro. It went back down again. So like, what am I going to do, right? Like now I have all that spare cash. So I figure I'm just going to buy it again, right? And I'll essentially close my trade on buying an iPhone and get my position back just in case something happens, like rocket ships start flying, whatever, And what ended up happening is it went back up to 650. So I sold at 650, and again I got all this cash, right? And then it dumped back down to around where I've been buying it, so around the mid 5s. So today was like 580, something like that. So I bought it a little higher, and now I have my whole position back again. So not only do I have enough for, again, like that iPhone 16 Pro, I now have enough for an iPhone 17 Pro Max, at the right deal. So it just goes to show you here that you can make money really, really easily simply by looking at the charts and seeing what's going on. I was able to do this 3 times and not with a lot of money. So I basically made almost 30% of my money. So it's not a big amount, so anybody could do it. Now, another thing I wanted to show you here, and the reason there was a bit of movement, is that Algoma basically got an MOU, a Memorandum of Understanding with some Chinese company over, buying steel and building submarines. So here, you can just look here, Algoma Steel with Hanwha Ocean signed binding Memorandum of Understanding, an MOU. And for any of you old weed stalkers there, MOUs, like those are huge. Here, not so much. For MOU for long-term strategic arrangement supporting Canadian Patrol submarine project. Now, what really matters, right? Does it matter that they're going to be making submarines, or does it matter how much money that they're bringing in? So we're just going to look over here, and Hanwha is to provide Algoma with up to USD $250 million, so around 350 million Canadian, as support for whatever. It doesn't matter what it is. All that matters is they're getting this money. Now, the Canadian federal government gave them like 400 million. They got 100 million from somewhere else. I could look up the article for you, but it doesn't matter, right? Now they have like $500 million. And today, as of today, they have a memorandum of understanding that they'll be getting another $350 million. That's almost $1 billion that they've gotten, and those loans from the government, they're as good as cash, okay? Now, this MOU means that they might be getting it, they might not be getting it, but there's a pretty good chance that they're going to be getting it, and I don't know, maybe something will happen, right? All that matters for me is, again, like I got my money so that I can upgrade my iPhone without having to pay any of my own money, using my position in Algoma Steel strategically, right? And I did it 3 times, and now I'm able to get whatever I want, and I have my position back without missing a beat. Now, if it drops, oh well. If it goes up, I might even have to do it again and maybe get, I don't know, maybe I'll get 2 iPhones. But I don't think my wife will allow it. So anyways, thanks for watching this. I hope it helps you out if you're learning how to trade, or if you just want to see how to make money without actually trying. All you have to do is literally be able to read. Okay, again, thanks for watching, and you know, I'll give you an update on whatever iPhone I get, because it's going to be on a deal. I'm not paying full price. Okay, thanks a lot, and I'll catch you on the next one.